Danny Dromm, the chair of our Immigration Affairs Committee, and after Danny, we'll hear from our Comptroller, John Liu, and I want to thank Danny for his swift work on this resolution. I also want to thank Comptroller Liu for joining us today, and probably no one better represents the important contribution immigrants can make to the city of New York than John Liu. So thank you for being here. John, let's hear from Danny.
Thank you very much, Speaker Quinn. I'm here today to say that these types of draconian measures against our immigrant population are totally unacceptable. And in my opinion, it is because we do not have comprehensive immigration reform in this country that a measure like this can even pass in the first place. It is our duty and our obligation as people, as citizens of the United States of America, to ensure that everyone's rights are respected and that everyone is protected under the law. What this law is essentially going to do is create racial profiling. I don't know how you can determine reasonable suspicion of an immigrant in this country. What actually defines that? To me, it's undefinable. You can't say this one is an immigrant, this one is not. So when that law is implemented, police are going to use racial profiling to enact or to enforce that law, and that is wrong. We know that from history. We know that from our experiences. And I was a New York City public school social studies teacher for many years. And what I would teach my students is that immigrants made our country strong. And there's nobody here today, nobody on the steps, nobody out in front of me that is not an immigrant or the child of an immigrant or an ancestor of an immigrant. And we know that is what has made America great, not laws like what we have passed in Arizona. We stand opposed, we will fight back, and nothing like this is ever going to happen in New York City because we will fight it every step of the way. Thank you very much.